Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Who's in the building? Who's in the building? Who's in the building? Who is in the building? Talk to me. Who is here? Who there? Who there? Who there? Who there? Drop a comment in the chat. I can see who there, who in the building. Again, guys, today we're interacting today. We're not playing today. All right? I need to see some activities in the chat, yo. You know what I mean? Because we're making some money today, man. Who's in the building? Comment in the chat. Roll call, roll call. Who's here? Who's here? All right. Jamaica in the building. All right. Anjay, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Welcome to the stream. Who else there? Who else is in the building? Who else is in the building? Who else is here? Who else is here? Come on, man. Give me a shout out. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Who else is here? Come on, guys. Who else is in the building? Let's go. Let's build our vibes. Drop a like. Drop a thumbs up. If it's the first time you're visiting this channel, we go live on YouTube, trading stuff. Please to consider, not even consider, please give us a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Learn to Trade JA. If it's first time visiting us here live, please click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, guys. There's no 8 people, and I'm not gonna start until I see 8 thumbs up. That's the deal. There's 8 people in the building. I'm not gonna start until I see 8 people give me a thumbs up. Come on, let's go. Let's do this. I'm seeing 3. Let's go. Who else there? Who else there? Let's see who this is. Hey, Tayonia. What's up, man? What's up, Tayonia? Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Come on, guys. We'll build vibes today. Vibes. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Like the video. Give me a like on the video, guys. Come on. Let's go. Can't believe I've come on here and beg every day. Come on. Let's go. Like the video. Like the video. Like the video. Come on. All right, Danjay, give me a thumbs up. Tayona, give me a thumbs up. All right. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We are live on YouTube right now. Let's go. Tap in, tap in, tap in. Click the link. Tap in. Let's go. I tell my music a little bit on all a vibe. It's about 9:30. Let's see what the new half an hour candle brings. In the meantime, play some music. Let's go. Come on, guys, drop a shout out, drop a like. I'm not seeing the 7 likes yet. Hold on, let me see. Refresh. All right, that's 7 likes. All right. You guys did it. You guys did it. We can start. We can start now. We can start now. All right, I'm seeing my 7 likes. All right, so hold on. Let me just post the link on my Instagram. We are live on YouTube right now. Let's go. Tap in, tap in, tap in. Click the link. Tap in. Let's go. We are live on YouTube right now. Let's go. Tap in, tap in, tap in. Click the link. Tap in. Let's go. We are live on YouTube right now. Let's go. Tap in, tap in, tap in. Click the link. Tap in. Let's go. We are live on YouTube right now. All right, guys, let's do this. Anybody in the trades that we sent out yesterday? Remember, we called a couple of trades. Anybody in any of the trades that we sent out yesterday? This GA trade that was called is playing out nicely. As you can see, price came and tapped our area of interest nicely and is now pushing up. What we want to see now is we want to see price clear this high. Right, that's our first target. So we want to see price clear this high right here. So I want to have this 4-hour candle break above. I think there is FOMC news. There's news later, right, guys? I think there's news later. Right, so as you can see, we had our buy limit at 9.09297 and price tapped us in. And we've been in the trade since yesterday. So if you were on the live yesterday, you would have been in this trade. The USD CAD trade seems to be playing out now. It's giving us a warm time up in this area. I'm anticipating that it probably wants to come up a little bit further. Let's see how the daily looks. So I don't know how it's going to end up playing out, right? I don't know if it's going to actually continue its push down. I was expecting it to go down. As a matter of fact, I entered this trade and I closed it and it stopped me out here. So it stopped me out here and now it's pushing again. All right. So I entered that trade. This GU trade is playing out nicely. I sent in the group that this was probably going for the second zone. And as you can see, it tapped the second zone and now it's pushing up really nice. All right. So I'm looking if there's any other opportunities for a trade. So for the opportunity to get into this trade, guys, is you would have to see this break above here. So we need to see this break above here, then retest and then continue to push up. So the only way we can get, if you're not in this trade yet, the only way you can get back into this trade is if we actually see price break above that high. All right, but there's no time to FOMO. If you're not in this trade from here, it don't make no sense to jump in yet, because if you jump in, this would have to be a trade. So say for instance, if you entered right there, your trade would have to be, your stop loss would have to be this big, right? So because when I call a trade, we call a trade from here, you'd have gotten a nicer entry. And right now, I think you'd have probably be 1 to 3 already. Yes, you'd have gotten your 1 to 3 already. But this trade, if it plays out, would have given you 1 to, I expect it to go further, to go all the way up here. So this is looking like a 1 to 11. Right, so we're catching some big moves on these, right? UJ played out nicely yesterday. We caught UJ from here. We caught UJ from here. So UJ played out really nice. Like UJ played out exactly how we expected it. Had our stop loss below here. All right, so I've got now a nice 1 to 3 from UJ, and you'd still be in some profits right now. As I said before, this is, I'm not so sure it's going to pass this point. It's a matter of fact. Yeah, I'm not so sure it's going to pass this point. I expected it to play around, but I knew that we're going to at least get a nice trade up here. Anybody that was on the live yesterday caught any of the trades? Did anybody on the live yesterday caught any of the trades that I signal out? Anybody caught any of the trades? So currently, guys, this is the trade that I am in. This is the trade that I'm in. I caught the UJ trade and took my profits. And this GU trade, I never get a chance to jump in this trade. But sorry I missed it though, because this was a nice, beautiful trade. So I never get a chance to tap into this GU trade. But hopefully we can get our next entry sometime today. So yeah, so those are the pairs that we're watching. GJ, not much happening in GJ. I wasn't expecting much to happen in GJ. I never looked at GJ. And then gold now, not much happening in gold either. So gold and GJ pretty slow at the moment. Gold look interesting because it looks like it's forming like a head and shoulders pattern. So it'd be nice to see this break here, and then we can get on the retest to have price continue to go down. Right? So if it does break this level, right, we could look for price to break here, grab the retest, and then have it continue to push down. So that is how I see gold playing out, if anything. But for now, nothing on gold. Bitcoin, nothing. I'm not interested in NAS or US30 at the moment. I think those markets are very sporadic right now, given the volatility of the US. So I don't want to be in those markets. So yeah, so we're heading to TP nicely. We've already gotten our 1 to 3 from this. We're heading now, trying to get 1 to 5. Remember, guys, I told you that my final TP is actually all the way up here, right? So this is actually 1 to 35 if this plays out. And with a small lot size, if I get to here, right, this would be like $18,000 in profit if the candle comes all the way up here. I'm thinking about holding it. So what would confirm if I hold it or not is if we get price to break strongly above here. Once we get price to break strongly above here, then I'm holding it. And the reason why I'm considering holding it is because if you look at the monthly time frame, we realize, and we said it yesterday, that the previous month left this long wick. So I'm expecting a wick fill at minimum. So I'm expecting this monthly candle to actually close very strong to the upside. I'm hoping that FOMC actually give us a nice strong push to the upside, so that we can get a good payment out of this, make some good money out of this. Right, so that's what we're waiting on. So currently we're just chilling and just watching at the moment to see how everything plays out. So before FOMC though, I'd love for us to have already broken above here, because even if FOMC taps in, we're expecting probably a pullback to retest and then a push up if anything. So I'd love for us to already be above this high before 1 o'clock today. All right, so that's what we're looking at, guys. Anybody have any questions? Anybody want me to go through anything? Let me know. So because we got stopped out on this, we have to look for the next opportunity. So the next opportunity on this, let me remove this. So the next opportunity on USD CAD is if we can see price actually break the low here, retest, and then we jump on and see if we can drive it down. So that's what we're looking for USD CAD, right? So we got stopped out of this one, right? Think I lost like $600 on this trade. So we got stopped out on this one, but we should be good. We should be good. Anybody have any questions, guys? Come on, guys, talk to me. Talk to me, guys. Let's go. Anybody have any questions? Anybody want me to go over anything?
Free you. Yo, we are live. If you want to jump. Join us. All you have to do is click the link in my bio for my YouTube channel and you can join us in this trading.
Let's go. All right, guys. So remember, if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. We go live. I teach day trading. My name is Dwayne Harris. I'm a mentor and day trader. I've been trading for over 5 years. Actually, pretty much been profitable for the past 2 years, and since then I've been, showing persons how to actually do what I do on a daily basis. So if you're here for the first time, I'd appreciate some love. Please to like the video and also to subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Learn to Trade JA on TikTok and on Instagram. All right, would love the continued support. So anybody have any questions? Anybody need me to break down any charts for you? Are you in any trade that you want me to look at, guys? Come on, talk to me. I'm here for you. You're the reason why I'm here. But closed mouths don't get fed. This GU trade is moving nicely, yo. Look at this beautiful move, guys. This GU trade is moving nice. Like, this is a 1 to 13, guys. Come on, man. Sorry I never get an entry. But once you know what you're doing, guys, these are the kind of moves. You don't need to risk a lot of money. You don't need to be leveraging a lot of money whenever you know exactly what you're looking for. This is a sniper entry. Look at this. Look at this entry, guys. Like right on the tip. Look at that. right on the tip of our area of interest. This is what you call sniper entry, right? And now we're moving up. We already get our 1 to 3. So if you want to do just 1 to 3, you'd have gotten your 1 to 3 right here already. And now you're heading for 1 to 9, and then up here to 1 to 12, 1 to 13. Right? Great. So guys, who's here? Who's here? Talk to me now, guys. Y'all good? So everybody good then? Everybody trade luck. Nobody don't need a help. Y'all not watching any peers? Y'all, come on, talk to me, guys. I'm here for you, man. Everybody's so quiet. So I tell you that USD CAD playing around. Aha. Big up Aneta in the building. Big up yourself, Aneta. Thanks for coming through. Did you get any of the trades that I sent out yesterday? I know Tyonia, you were here. I know Aneta was here. Did any of you guys get any of the trades that we sent out yesterday? Oh, you weren't here yesterday? Okay, hush. Hush, 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 hush. Yeah, so we called 4 trades yesterday. So we called GA, which is playing out right now. We called USD CAD for sells, but this one we lost this one. GU, we call out GU, but GU went for a deeper pullback. So we call the trade right here in the group, in the private group. So persons in the group would have been some profits right now. Right now, price is pulling back. Let's see if we can get an entry. Interesting. Interesting. Price is rejecting right there. So this might be the area that price probably ends up come back to. There's a 5-minute order block right here. So we could possibly look to get in from the 5-minute if price comes here. So this could be where we get in. Stop loss below here. And it would target all the way up here. So let's see. Let's see if this will be a entry for us right here. Price broke here. And now price is pushing up. So let's see if we can get an entry. Price broke structure here. created this order block, and then price is pushing up from here. So what we want to see, guys, is we want to see price come and close above here. We want to see price go above here, then we can look for other entries, and then we can manage our trade. So far, I'm up. Let's see. I'm up $2,000 right now. Y'all want me to break down the trade? How we got this entry? Let me know. Drop a 7 if you want me to break down the trade. Look at this. Yo, I swear, like USD CAD playing with our emotions, guys. I swear to God. USD CAD is stressing us out right now. I lost this trade, but no, it looks like it's moving in the direction that I want it to move. USD CAD look like it's actually ready to start to dip. All right, so since it's ready to start to dip, guys. Here's what we're gonna do with USD CAD, all right? Let's be patient. Let's be patient with USD CAD. This is the last high. This is the last low that created this high, right? So now we want to see price break down here, retest, and then continuous movement down. So we're waiting now to see where price is going to do that and where we can get our entry from, right? So that's what we're waiting on. I know right now GA is playing around. Don't know why it's pulling back. What pairs are you guys looking at? What you guys want me to look at any pairs for you? Analyze any pairs? Message me, let me know. AUD USD. Okay, let's see. Are you in that trade, Aneta? This look like this was playing around for a while because I haven't been on this chart forever, and right now it's still ranging in this area. So right off the bat, I don't like how AUD USD look. Look at all of this, guys. This is crazy. I would advise against trading this pair. Yeah, Anita, stay out of this. Stay out of this. There's nothing happening here. But what prospects do we have, right? So let's see. On a whole, oh, this is an ugly pair. We see price moving in a downtrend, right? That's the first thing that we notice. Zin, and then we see where price broke structure right here. And then it broke structure again right here. So really and truly, you shouldn't be looking for buys on this pair until price breaks above here. So that's the first thing that we're looking at, right? So more like you're looking for sells on this pair. And then we see that price is reacting from this area right here. And it's pushing down. So we can put a line right here. So price is maintaining this high. And it's pushing down, but a lot of ranging happening right here. So let's look at the 4 hour. All right, so the first thing you want to see is you want to see price break below this point. So that's the first thing you want to see. You want to see price break below this point. I wouldn't advise you to do anything else until price breaks here, and then you can get a retest to continue to push down. All right, that's the only thing I'm thinking, because right now, Anita, it does have a lot of noise right here. All right, you don't have good structure, so you don't want to be in this market right now. So I would say wait until price break down here, retest, and then push down. Anybody else? Let's go. Anybody else? What other pair you guys want me to look at? USD CAD look like it's finally moving, guys. Imagine we had this trade and the trade stopped us out and now it's moving, but that is how trading goes. So let's remove this right here. And now look for the next opportunity. So price break below here. Based off of that, this could be our potential order block. This could be our potential area that we want price to move back to if it's supposed to pull back. So let's wait and see what happens. So price needs to actually close below here. Ideally, also want to see it close below this line as well. And then after it closes below these two lines, then I'd want to see it push back. Then we can take our entry from the pullback. Oh dear. Okay. Somebody couldn't call me. GU tapped us in. Well, GU tapped into the area that we're looking to trade. So do we take an entry on GU? Is it worthwhile to take an entry on GU, guys? What you guys think? Or do we wait for the next 4 hour candle to open? Is it worth it to take a trade on GU? It has tapped into our 5-minute order block that we're waiting on. And it's rejected from it a few times. So the question is now, do we enter this trade? The only issue I'm having with this trade is the fact that the 4 hour, no, not the 4 hour, the daily is so strong bearish. Even though the monthly is a bullish candle and the weekly, I think, is a bullish candle. No, the weekly can flip. Weekly can flip. So what you guys think? You think it's worth the entry? Or I think we should wait until the next 4 hour candle open? Because I mean, ideally down here should have been our entry. That's where our ideal entry should have been. We're trying to see if we can get a second entry. New 1 hour candle open. Yo, big up Calico in the building. Jaja, look like this going to move left us, guys. Look like, yeah, look like GU moving. I just never felt 100% comfortable with this entry, to be honest with you. I never felt 100% comfortable with this entry. But this would be a second entry. GA came back for a retest. What's GA doing, man? Is this a retest? All right, guys. So watch this now. If this could possibly be a retest, so let's see how this candle close. But if the candle close, then you can possibly look for an entry right here on GA. If this candle can close bullish, possible entry. We need to see this candle close, the current 5-minute candle close bullish. GJ. Yeah, I did a breakdown of GJ. GJ looking I'm not so happy with the movement of GJ so far, guys. Not seeing any opportunities yet. I don't want to see GJ break above here. Start to look for opportunities because right now it's ranging in this area. So I'd like to see GJ break above here. So have nothing on GJ. Nothing that I'm interested in. All right, let's see how the 5-minute look. New 5-minute open, guys. All right, so this candle closed bullish, and then the new candle open up without a top, without a bottom wick. Depending on the momentum of this candle, you can look to possibly enter. Stop loss below the wick of this candle. So if this new 5-minute candle decides it won't have some momentum, you can enter for a trade on it. So wait until it breaks the high of the previous 5-minute candle. So it's pretty close. So it looks on a 15-minute. Yeah, so guys, you have to be ready for this because it could shoot up. So your entry would be 2.09786. So once price taps into 2.09786, then it should be a good entry for price to continue to push up. Remember, guys, if you're taking this trade, please to understand that you need to manage your risk. Proper risk management is key. Please to ensure that you calculate your risk and you know how much you're willing to lose before you enter the trade. So this can either play out now or it can play out on the next 15-minute candle. Who is waiting on the trade? Anybody waiting on the trade? Anybody looking to take the trade? Who looking to take the trade? Comment in the chat. As I said before, guys, we're waiting on price to tap into 2.09786. So we're not in this trade. Waiting on price to tap to push up. This is the part of trading that people hate. Waiting, being patient. But this is the part that pays you when it comes on to trading. Just be patient. Don't know what's gonna happen, but have a plan. Working with a plan. So based on the fact that we're almost at a 15-minute, let's look at how it looks on the 15-minute. So that you guys don't get anxiety. Guys in the chat, do you consider yourself a patient trader? Or you always try to rush your trades in? You consider yourself a patient trader or you're always rushing your trades? Which one? What trading style are you? By the way, are you guys scalpers, intraday traders, swing traders? What trading style makes you feel most comfortable? Comment in the chat. If you're on the live for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. Also, like the video. Yeah, guys, are you a swing trader or are you a day trader or intraday trader or are you a scalper? What trading style are you? All right, guys. So the new 15-minute candle is open. I'm anticipating that this is going to be the candle that pushes us into the trade. So keep an eye out for that. Yo, who that? The goat himself. The goat is in the building. Oh, go on. Know if you want to join the live. If you want me to send you the link. You know, some more time maybe I work hard. You know what I mean? So I don't know if you want to hop on. Yo, yo. You.
You hear me?
Yeah, man, I know.
Oh.
Why pre?
I'm actually in the trade already, you know.
Oh, yeah, man, me too. Been there from down at the
In,
bottom.
yeah, me too.
But me I try to see if I can get the next entry for them people, you know?
Mm. I think the same setup play up on. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, I think the same setup play up on the Euro odd. Euro AUD. More to catch that from the bottom too. What?
Yeah. Yeah. I wanted to say this would have been the ideal spot. Say move it from the order block, come back, tap in.
I would actually catch it from 1.75467. That's a more that
Or say in the street.
No. I would
Oh.
from,
Oh.
but it kind of move a little bit faster than GBP AUD, so that's why I never enter. Because I missed it.
It might be coming down here, so this is probably where it's gonna move from. If it not move from where it is right now, which it could possibly move from where it is right now too. But if it break through here, there's a great chance it coming down here, so.
Mm-hmm.
I'd love for this 1 hour can to just push the hell up. So with this now, bro, before FOMC, would I love for the above the higher. If we could get above this high before 1 o'clock.
FOMC, what up?
FOMC news.
Oh.
Yeah, 1 o'clock we have FOMC news. So if we can get above Yasso by 1 o'clock, we'll bid. Because I believe that it's possible that is the news that's going to fill the week on the week. So I love for it to break the high before the news come out. And I want a candle just like this size.
My dep on forex factory and it's a US, so the US news affect the pound as well.
US news affect everybody, bro. US news affect everybody. Now, USD can annoy me because I was in USD CAD trade. I'm gonna lose. They stop me out. Because remember, I don't know if you're on yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So my stop loss was right here. Stop me out and know it a push down.
You probably can get based on how it look. Based on how it look, you probably can get a re-entry. Probably from the same.
I feel like I'm gonna look. That's why I'm gonna put that you have that order block right there, so. But then it tap into the order block too early, so we might not even get a trade off it. So the most we might do is probably look at this 5-minute order block as a possible trade entry. So that is the only thing I'd say. But I just don't want to take no more losses off of that something I like. A $600 me lose off the area. So I just feel like it does not want to pay me today. But if I'm gonna take a trade, that would be right also.
Yeah, but did I watch the period of that? Last night, I decided I never did a go sit a stuff like come time to get stuff out there. We just set an alert and I try watch it.
And watch it.
You get no sleep.
I'll say you can't do that to yourself, man. You have to just make up your mind, bro. Can't do that to yourself. Them days are done for me, brother. Once me see like it and move, once it start create structure and break structure, I'm gone on my bed. You must see like it a itch, like say for instance me the up in the night. I must see like it a do this. But just put my stop loss here so and put my entry here so I'm just gone on my bed, bro. Whatever I'm happy I come now go make that something make me lose no sleep. Them days are done.
The thing is, on my end type, push up, and then it start consolidating. I said, John, I forgot watch this. Yeah.
That happened to me more time too. That happened to me more time. I don't know, so I catch it still. Just imagine I catch it. Imagine I catch it right as you know, and it pay me come up as I come all the way back this morning and push up again.
At the
Pay
second,
me, you know, at the up like at the second pull back, you catch it.
Yeah.
Oh, come catch it from right to someone and something come
First one,
all the way up and come back.
The trade.
You can imagine actually go break even. Just imagine if they actually go break even with that vex to blows and skirt. Cause just come, tap it, and then just shoot up, bro. And start break structure again. So I just want to see this start break. I just want to see it break up here so. Once this break above right here so, and then break above here so, I now leg that trader. I just want to break out of that zone, man. I'm not let it go. I hold on it for dear life.
My TP supposed to actually the right to the high. Yes, sir.
Which part? Right as well?
2.10351.
2.103. Okay, up here so. Okay. Yeah, same place which for my first TP there, but I hope you someone carry gunner, bro. Hope you someone ride it go.
Why?
That girl my youth, I ride it go all the way up there so. You see me? Cause this would be the monthly wick fill. This would be the wick fill on the monthly candle. So that would be beautiful, man. That would be amazing, bro. Amazing. I'm willing to hold it until Friday.
I don't know something about holding that trade that long. I don't think we can do it.
But the things are too. After a while, you
There's
get used to it, bro.
there's a trade on I think it was Euro AUD. You can look on it.
Hold on. So it's tapped into this trade now. The trade has actually tapped into the area that we're expecting it. So your stop loss below here, and your take profit should be at 21.0300. Don't follow me and come all the way up, so. He's a madman.
I wonder if I should I enter again.
I mean, I enter again with a small lot, very small lot size. All right, so guys, so this is where now your emotions have left the building. If you have entered the trade, that's it. There's no turning back. So you're either going to win or you're going to lose. One out of the two of them, right? So don't get no FOMO, don't get no, impatience. Just allow the trade to play out. If it's supposed to play out in your favor, it will. Every time you come on the chart, there's a 50-50 chance for you to win a trade. So sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. That's also how it goes. But as long as you're managing your trade, guys, managing your risk. So remember, risk a small percentage of your account size so that you don't blow your account. We have 20 minutes left into the 1 hour candle. Maybe we're not going to get the 1 hour candle to push up. We have to see. Hopefully it does. It'll be amazing to see this 1 hour candle engulf this previous red candle. If that happens, guys, we'll be sitting pretty. So we just have to just wait and see what happens. If not, then this 1 hour candle hopefully can close like a hammer candle. And then the next candle will open up and shoot up. So with 20 minutes left, we just want to make sure that this candle closes bullish. That is the aim. We just want this candle to close bullish. All right, guys, give me a few minutes. I'll be right back. I will stay on my side. I will stay. How it go on? Yo, Shakur.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, look.
Me still good. Kind of look like it's arranged on the 5 minute.
New 1 hour candle just open. So, go see if this push now. I love for this push the last 30 minutes. Push and break the high. Can break the high, we're good to go. Anybody in this trade? Who in this trade? Anybody from the chat in the trade? Hey chat. Anybody in this trade? Who's in this trade? Calico in the trade. So I have Calico in the trade. Who else in the trade? Who else in the trade? Or USD kind of go on. Yo, this fuck up in a bro. USD kind of pushing up. After it stopped me out already.
Mm-hmm.
GU or GU. GU is on the move, guys. GU is on the move. But we'll have to wait until the next 4 hours. But I'll wait until the next 4 hour candle open. UJ is still pushing up. Anybody catch a trader, bro?
No.
Yo, it did play out quick though. From yesterday. This will come all the way up here, so guys.
But it actually you're supposed to catch it from the bottom.
Why? Why you catch it from the bottom, youth?
Yeah, catch it.
Yo, watch this. Order block. Could I take a next entry right there, so? And then you move your stop loss from the first position. See how GJ look. Nothing now going for GJ today. Nothing now going for gold neither. So let's watch GA right now. Let's see if we can break some highs. We have the 4 hour candle opening in an hour. So hopefully this 1 hour candle can at least break this high. So the 4 hour candle can come down and continue the movement up. But we love, before news come out, we'd love for be breaking the highs. We'd love for be breaking the highs. So I can see what I go on. All right, guys, give me another 5 minutes, please. I'll be back. Yo. Big up to everybody on the live. Guys, if it's your first time being on the live, please to subscribe to the channel. Please give the video a thumbs up. Yo, you don't know. Can't make us see what I go on for the breakfast. You know what I mean? Can't make us see what I go on. Why yo, Kalika can bad mind my breakfast, I say man. You go love me in a youth. Youth. Love me. Alright, Shakur, see what I go on? Liquidity right so. Could there be an opportunity to take some sells on USD CAD? Personally, I'm not going to trade USD CAD. I'm done lose $600 off 530, so I'm not trying to lose more money from it. But for those interested who have not gotten a trade as yet, this is a nice opportunity. Well, an okay opportunity, but right now USD CAD does a range, so I'm not sure if they're gonna play out. But what you want to see is you want to see price come and tap into this level and then start to push down. Right? So we have our order block. We have our fair value gap right here. And we have our liquidity. So that has met all the criteria for us to get into a trade on this sell. GU. Jano Chakor, I think we should enter GU, bro.
It's up to you, you know.
But I wait on the 4-hour candle for open still. That way on the 4-hour candle. The lower them look good. I think we can wait on the 4-hour. But the lower time frame them look good. The 1 hour look good. The 30-minute look good. The 15-minute.
I would be looking for sales.
Huh?
Me would look for sales.
For sales?
Yeah.
Sales, bro. Look at this.
I'm gonna think get ready the pullback done.
First, why not? It tap into this area right here. It tap into this order block. Look how it move aggressively away from the order block. This gone, bro. This is buys. This is going to break structure. It's coming all the way up here. I don't see no sales. Hold on. Let me go up on the monthly time frame. Come on, bro. Monthly candle green. Weekly candle red, but it can't flip. Daily candle look like it can flip too.
I have an alert for buys when it reach
Don't you so?
Yeah.
I'm not so sure it go. Even though now week the depend that candle right as a stills.
Yeah, my alert for buys at 1.34266. And the order block them I go off of for buys.
Order block right as well?
Yeah.
Order block, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a bad order block still, you know.
Yeah, and when we did draw the setup here, I did think it never did go pull back this deep too, but then you point it out to me and I say it look possible.
This would have been the real order block right so. But I mean, but it really come all this far now. Would it really come all this way?
Wait, which time frame that you're upon? 15.
50 minutes.
Why on your screen it looks so far? I don't look like I simply saw it.
No, man. That is a 1 point, what is a 1.3 or?
1.34262.
Yeah, man, around the same area. But I remember, I'm entering from the 15-minute time frame. So I'm using the 15-minute order block. So my 15-minute order block would be 1.34234.
Three, four, two, three, four.
Why am I don't know? Is it going to really make this deep of a pullback though?
I mean, if you look on the 1 hour, it now have no bottom wick. So
Yeah, but just I noticed that. Just I noticed it now on the bottom wick.
yeah, I feel like it will go down there.
You could be right, because even if we look at the 1 hour structure, it break right as so. You're right, so it could actually be heading for down here, so. This 1 hour order block, and then this now would have been the liquidity.
Yep.
Yeah, you could be right, bro.
But you could be right as well for that.
Jaja.
And it not break the low yet where
It break the low, man, so it can't break right as so. What it didn't do is break the high up as so. So that means it's still in a downtrend. The trend has not changed yet. So yeah, I think you're right. I think it might just be coming down here, so which would mean that you probably have the daily candle close down here, and then a new daily candle open and then push up. So probably tomorrow it's gonna play out. Depending on what FOMC do as well too. So I must have FOMC.
well, yeah, if I look for take a trade off for this today, I would probably take a scalp for sell to that area.
See, Anita said the news might tap into that, into the area. So yeah, it might actually push it down and tap into it. Yes. It might just tap into it for real. Just get a weak right and then push up. Boy, GA, I'll give you a fight. Come on, GA, let's go, man. Let's push up. Jaja, come on, GA. Would I love this 30-minute candle to push all the way up here. If we can get that, we're good. And that would be the 1 hour candle push as well. That would be good. As we say, this is the part that traders don't like. Patience, just waiting. But you gotta wait, man. All right, guys. So if you're just joining, we're currently in GBP AUD trade. I caught the trade from down here. But we're looking at another entry. We've entered on this 1 hour structure here. So we're just waiting for the 1 hour structure to keep its move to the upside. If you're here for the first time, please to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm on live. You can possibly take the same trades that I take. Or remember that you're taking your own trades. You are the one that click the button, not me. So you accept whatever losses or whatever wins that you get. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just teaching you all how to trade. And I'm also taking trades in the process, and then you have the ability to take the same trades that I take. So I will not be held responsible for anybody losing their money. So please trade responsibly. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Learn to Trade JA. Everybody good? Anybody have any questions? UJ still pushing up. Or could I get a next entry on UJ right here now, bro? UJ still pushing up. GJ, nothing doing. Gold, nothing doing. Yo, Tracker, remember they have a little strategy upon NAS? You know, some of them remember. I swear I remember how the strategy they go.
I think at a certain time it played. I mean, it happened this morning.
Yeah.
Wait, this morning? No, last night.
What was the strategy again? You remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, 9 o'clock, 9:30.
9:30, yeah.
I remember what minute said, the ham. I remember what the blows and skirt it was. It was a 5-minute entry, I remember. I know. I don't remember. And I don't think I did record that. I'm not sure the recorder session there.
I mean, it did play out. The volatility did kick in around 9 o'clock. Upon the 5-minute.
I'm going to try remember that strategy there. Can I win some money out of that strategy, you know? I'll make some money out of that strategy, man. But then NAS did start move all over the place when Donald Trump had doing him whole tariff business.
Mm-hmm.
So we just lower the market start. We can't, when the markets are volatile, we can't deal with it, brother. No structure. We just have move anyway we want to move go. And I'm not a big institution, so I don't know where much I move it go. So just slow it. All right, guys, give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. Yo, bro, you hear me?
Yeah.
Let's even know how going with that something. Where over there now?
It's still orange.
All right, so I have a new 4-hour candle open up. Wow. Jano Star. All right. Hopefully this is a wick fill. New 4-hour candle open up. Oh, hopefully this can just give it a push to the upside. USD CAD. Tap into USD CAD, tap into the order block, but it not tap into the fear in the, tap in the fair value gap, but not the order block. GU is pushing up, bro. Really should have had that entry upon GU star. GU is pushing up. Yeah, GU is pushing up for sure. UJ still pushing. But the trade that we are in is giving us a warm time. It's just not moving right now. We look for it to just start pushing up. We'll look for it to just start pushing up, star. Just clear this area. All right, guys, so we're still in this trade. I think I call it a day on the live, but I'll still be in the trade and I'll still monitor it and send out whatever I'm seeing in the group. But yeah, I think I can call it a day on the live. So far, we're still in this trade, so we'll have to see how it play out. So I don't know, big up everybody that's been on the chat, been on the live. It's the first time you're joining. Please subscribe to the channel. Please follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Learn to Trade JA. Hopefully this moves plays out. and we'll be able to bag some more money. We're already up in profits, but we'll look for some more. So you don't know, big up on yourself. Thanks for chilling with me. Chakor, you don't know, we'll link.
Bless up, bro.
You don't know, big up on yourself. Come on.